Reset CD fast and only tanks in the front. Okay. Reset your CD. Look.
Ready.
Hold. I need a couple. Joink. All right, come back. This is their caller. I think Little Lee.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. Look, I'm looking at the guy here.
All on your
Either she
north.
doesn't have anything. Okay. To the northwest side. Hold. Actually, northeast here. Ready. Hold. To the northwest. 3, 2, 1. Yo, can we kill him? Can we kill him? Can we kill him? No? Back. He is actually baited us. Back in. Reset your
Timing,
seat. Careful front. Drop into the
5.
front. Yeah, hold. Careful.
Ready,
in the front.
ready, ready.
Look. Southeast side. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look for me. On top of the ground. Back now.
Demon.
Demons in the front.
10 seconds.
Mamamatay na. Look. Hold.
Ready.
Careful. Pots. Look, southeast side, guys, okay? Look, on top of my crown, southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yo, southeast. Clerical. It's okay, we almost killed one. Care now. We, no, fake. It's
They
okay,
come on the gate.
Inside, come
8
inside.
seconds.
It's okay. Look, we're looking northwest side, okay?
Ready.
Northwest side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After the stun. Come back. It's okay. Just reset. Chill on the spams. Just hold. Be
10
patient.
seconds.
They will destroy this gate soon, okay? Tanks in the front.
5.
28% Adobo.
Yeah, it's okay. 5. Okay.
Ready.
Hold it. I'm gonna fake first, okay?
Still
Hold.
28%. I
Northwest.
think we need to go deep. Very.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
They already spread.
Careful. Be ready for them,
Ooh.
okay? Hold it. Northwest side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, get the tank. No. Too late. Back. Nice def. It's okay. Come back. Just come back. Careful. Nice
I try and
demon.
kidnap this guy.
Kidnap. Northwest. 3, 2. Yo, just kill him inside. Okay. QNW, careful. Tanks, watch me.
Broken gate.
It's okay. Don't panic.
Yeah.
Care.
Kidnapping.
Def now. The full def.
Ready ako.
Def. Look. Inside of us. 3, 2, 1. Inside. Hit it. QNW is inside. Good. We killed one. Care. QNW is inside. No fear. They're so low, guys. Yo,
2
reset
seconds.
CD.
Ready.
Pots. Look,
Ready.
northeast deep. 3, northeast 2, northeast 1, to the northeast. Send them home. Look, the northeast side now. Care. Come inside now. Come inside now.
All of us are low. We need to reset.
Yeah. Just full reset for now. Heals up.
Take a full row.
Heals up. Don't stop.
I
Okay?
have no mana.
Pwede ako mag-hit sa my
We
chest.
lost life.
Firm engage. It's
No, 10
really?
seconds pa ako.
Okay. I need one heavy mace. to
Ready
be
perma.
Imposite. Offensive heavy mace. Okay. Look after the J in 3, 2, 1. You after the J northeast. Nice. And come click southeast gate, guys. It's okay. Click southeast gate. Don't go southwest. You click southeast gate. It's okay. You're fine. You QNW.
8 seconds.
this way. I need help. I need heals in the front. Good.
Kill Adobo.
QNW inside.
10
inside.
seconds.
Look. It's okay.
Wait.
Just kidnap this guy.
Ready
Careful on the
perma.
smoke. Alright, look. Firm engage east side, okay? East side. 5, 4.
Ay, na Diego.
3, 2, 1. Yo, hit. Nice. Send them home. They will run. Catch.
Long cooldown. Long.
Casher 6-4.
Call the name.
This guy's kinda Gucci too.
I see him.
Mark the southeast. No, not that Calcels.
7-3 almost low.
Yeah,
Vehicle.
7-3. Loot the bodies, okay?